TypeError, dict_keys object does not support indexing. When I run the shuffle function, it raises the following error. Why is that?
Clearly you're passing in d.keys to your shuffle function. Probably this was written with Python 2.x, when d.keys returned a list. With Python 3.x, d.keys returns a dict_keys object which behaves a lot more like a set than a list. As such, it can't be indexed. The solution is to pass list d.keys, or simply list d, to shuffle.
You're passing the result of dict.keys to the function. In Python 3, dict.keys doesn't return a list, but a set-like object that represents a view of the dictionary's keys and, being set-like, doesn't support indexing. To fix the problem, use list dict.keys to collect the keys, and work with that.
Convert an iterable to a list may have a cost. Instead, to get to the first item, you can use. Or, if you want to iterate over all items, you can use.
In Python 2, dict.keys return a list, whereas in Python 3 it returns a generator. You could only iterate over its values, else you may have to explicitly convert it to a list, i.e. pass it to a list function.
Why you need to implement shuffle when it already exists? Stay on the shoulders of giants.
这个是手扑克的动作。